Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel here. Well, it's winter time. Can't really do outdoor videos like the shed because it's like -5 out there right now. It's cold. So we're going to do a taste test here of this great value gluten-free vanilla cream cookie. I need to take my pills, and it's only got 60 milligrams of sodium in here, and for 2 cookies. Now, I'm only gonna have 1 cookie. 12 grams of sugar. I don't know about that. That might spike my sugar up there, but yeah. There's all the junk in it. Fiber 0, sugar 12, protein 1, cholesterol, sodium 60, 40 potassium, calcium 10, iron 0.3 milligrams. 12 grams of sugar per 2 cookies. That's like 6 grams. Okay, well, it's gluten-free. Here's a cookie. Oh man, why am I doing this? Okay, I'll try it. Whoa. Let's try the cream. It's not too bad. Okay. The sugar is probably all in the cream. Let's try this. That little piece. Yeah. Yeah. No. No. As we say in Hungarian, as nem jó, which means no good. Oh. Blah. All right. Yeah. All right. If you're watching this, please leave a like or a thumbs down. I don't care. Ugh. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to go rinse my mouth out now. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.